If your shipping feels inconsistent, shipping classes are a simple fix. They let you group products by how they ship, so you can charge an accurate shipping cost. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and assign shipping classes in WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping Classes. You'll see a tab labeled Shipping Classes. Click on it. You'll need to fill in shipping class name, slug, and description. For shipping class name, please use a clear label, like heavy items or fragile. You'll see this name later when assigning it to products, so keep it easy to recognize. When you're done, click Create to save the newly created shipping classes. Now, let's assign a product to this new shipping class. Go to WooCommerce Products. Find the product you want to assign a shipping class to and click Edit. In this example, we'll assign the chair to the new shipping class we just created, Furniture Shipping. Then don't forget to click Update to save your changes. Now let's go back to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping Classes, to confirm that the chair has been added to the Furniture Shipping class. Now the Furniture Shipping has one product, which means the chair has been successfully assigned to the new shipping class. We've also prepared documentation on how to configure shipping classes for variable products and how to assign them in bulk on our website. The links are provided below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.